If you don't have audio, click the speaker symbol on the top right of your using the lab pad as an perfect. We just recently relocated to this new facility and discovered that some of the labels on the bottles of organic compounds were damaged during the move. Can you help us determine their contents? To determine which organic compound is in each bottle, we need to perform some chemical tests. These chemical tests will identify which functional groups are present in each compound. The poster to the left shows the organic functional groups that we need to identify. Luckily we had at least grouped the chemicals for the move. One of the damaged bottles is in the box of amines. Amines contain nitrogen and are grouped depending on what the nitrogen bonds to. You can see the different classes of amines on the poster I just put several reagent bottles on the workbench. Thankfully, these ones have labels. Let's pick out the reagents we will need for the Azo Dye test and place them on the workbench. You are correct. Sodium hydroxide is used to prepare the beta-naphthol solution. You are correct. Hydrochloric acid is used to make nitrous acid. The nitrous acid can then react with a primary aromatic amine to form a diazonium salt. You are correct. Sodium nitrite is used to make nitrous acid. The nitrous acid. Good job identifying the reagents needed. Since you're helping me out, I've set up the equipment you will need for this test. I'm nice like that. The steps for the Azo Dye test are as follows. Prepare the beta-naphthol solution. Make the diazonium salt solution. Mix the diazonium salt solution and beta-naphthol solution. Observe the results. Let's start with the first step, preparing the beta-naphthol solution. Pick up the pipette. Pick up the sodium hydroxide with the pipette. Put the sodium hydroxide into the test tube. Always remember to discard used pipettes to prevent discard the pipette. Pick up and gently swirl the test tube to dissolve the beta-naphthol. Move the test tube of dissolve. Great work! You have successfully prepared the beta-naphthol solution. The next step is to make the diazonium salt of the unknown compound from the unlabeled bottle, hydrochloric acid, and sodium nitrite. Now make the diazonium salt. Use the help button if you feel lost. Well done! You have made the diazonium salt solution. The next step is to add the diazonium salt solution to the beta-naphthol solution. If the unknown compound from our unlabeled bottle contains a primary aromatic amine, then a red azo dye will form. Let's see what happens. Discard the add the diazonium salt to the dissolved beta-naphthol solution. Remove the test tube from the ice bucket and put it in the test tube rack. The solution has turned red. What do you think this result means? That's right. The formation of a red azo dye indicates the presence of a Well done. You have performed the Azo Dye test and helped me to identify that my unlabeled amine compound is a primary aromatic amine. Click on the big screen in front of you to fill in the blanks of the procedure. Complete the first part of the Azo Dye test procedure by picking up the cards on the table and placing them in the correct blanks. Well done. It is important to keep the reaction mixture cold, as diazonium salt is unstable at higher temperatures. Great. We will need to keep the reaction mixture cold. Nice. Sodium hydroxide is used to dissolve beta-naphthol to ensure basic reaction conditions. Exactly. A small amount of hydrochloric acid is used to dissolve our compound. Complete the second part of the Azo Dye test procedure by picking up the cards on the table and placing them in the correct blanks. Not quite. Pick up the card and precisely. Mixing the solutions in this order forms nitrous acid. Excellent. Sodium nitrite is added next. Well done. Adding the diazonium salt solution to the beta-naphthol solution. Amazing. You clearly know your way around the Azo Dye test. Fantastic work. In this simulation, you performed the Azo Dye test to identify primary error. Let me ask you one last question. Thank you for your feedback. Your score has been saved together with your 100% progress. Congratulations, you have completed